how to create various types of accounts along with other topics. Today's topic is how to create a Microsoft account. If our video helps you, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Also, share this video with a friend or family. Maybe they will find it useful. So let's get started. You have to search Microsoft in Google. After that, click on Microsoft account. Then click on Create a Microsoft account. Here, type in your Gmail. Create a password which isn't too obvious, but also easy for you to remember. In your Gmail inbox, you will get a code, and you have to type in that code here to verify your email. Here is my code, and I will type this here. Click on Next. Here you have to solve a puzzle given by Microsoft. After completing the puzzle, you'll get a file like this. Here, if you click on Yes, your account will be signed in and you don't have to type in your information every time to use your Microsoft account. But if you click on No, you have to put your Gmail and your created password each time you want to log in your Microsoft account. For me, I will click Yes. Now my account is ready to be used. It is super easy and I hope I could help you. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Doing so will help us and motivate us to make more videos for you. That's about it. See you in the next video.